Hi and welcome. I'm Jason, owner of Garfield Media. Today we're going on a journey to understand the importance of video as part of your marketing strategy. Oh, and before we get started, creating video is more than just point, shoot, and edit. Today's video required the following to complete. First, we had the storyboard, then we did some scripting, then lighting, then editing the footage, coloring, sound editing, graphics, transitions, background music, B-roll. This process will take about 20 to 30 hours to complete, which should help you understand why a 3-minute video can cost up to $15,000. Sales has been a primary job function of mine for most of my adult working life. In my industry back in the day, I went out and knocked on your door and said, "Hi, how are you doing? Do you want to buy what I have?" Or I went business to business peddling small ticket items such as sports memorabilia or as seen on TV. People love to support the little guy peddling on the street. As time moves along, you're not going to see guys like that anymore, especially post-pandemic. Sales has changed the way it interacts and manifests itself in society. Traditional sales is a dying profession. Sales has transcended into the digital marketplace through mediums such as marketing agencies and content creators. So salesmen like me have had to merge with the marketing industry or through video marketing agencies. People think that sales is complicated, but it's not. It's about coming out of your comfort zone and asking questions with curiosity and intent. Like, "Hi, my name's Jason. What's yours?" "Bob, you have a nice suit. You must have a good job." "Oh, you own your own business? You must be successful." It's all about curiosity, the art of establishing communication by opening dialogue that allows you an opportunity to share with an individual an opportunity to improve their situation. 10 to 15 years ago, if you wanted a commercial, you had to hire a production crew for thousands of dollars and then pay thousands to millions of dollars for a time slot. Now, cable companies and live TV have become obsolete due to the cell phone. The cell phone is to the TV what the TV was to the radio. It's much easier to take a few minutes to watch crazy cat videos on YouTube than to go home and wait till 7 p.m. for America's Funniest Home Videos. If you weren't home, then you missed it and had to wait for the off-season reruns. So those were the days, right? So today, there are so many platforms that it has made advertising on these platforms easier. Years ago, I was approached by a small radio station wanting me to advertise with them. The most important question I could ask them and you could ask now is, tell me the demographics of your audience. Each platform has its own demographics, allowing you to have ease of access to the audience you want to market to at a lower cost per conversion than ever before. Over the last couple of years, even before the pandemic, the amount of content that is consumed on the internet and social media is about 144 minutes per day of video. Currently, the major platforms such as YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, they're in a war to dominate the video consumption market. In 2021, it has been publicly stated and rumored that preferential treatment is being given to video over text and image content. This is all because 80% of the content consumed on the internet is video. So what does that mean for your business? It means you can no longer build a business using one marketing channel. Now we understand the importance of using social media in your overall marketing platform. The next step is to decide if you want to do organic marketing, hybrid marketing, or strictly paid content marketing as part of your marketing strategy. Organic marketing uses natural, authentic, and value-based tactics to generate traffic and awareness. Your organic digital strategy includes methods that generate business over time instead of using sponsored posts or paid advertising. And paid marketing is one of the quickest ways to help potential customers discover your brand and offerings. With paid marketing, you purchase advertising that allows you to specifically target audiences instead of waiting for them to find you organically. Or you can create a hybrid system of organic and paid marketing, including some traditional methods such as print media or direct mailers.
In today's digital market, a business can't afford to pass up on an opportunity to generate authentic content. Hosting an event is a great way to generate authentic and raw content that can be used later on as part of future video projects. Garfield Media specializes in creating a telling story of your event, so call now and let's create the event of a lifetime.
Before you decide on your content, these decisions need to be made. Be careful not to become dependent on any one marketing model because things are quickly changing. Today, video is king, and in about 2 years, interactive video will be considered a must-have because of the success that's being had today. I think the most important thing a business can do, whatever marketing strategy they use, is produce natural and authentic content. Regardless of which marketing strategy you pick in 2021 and beyond, video is king and will be for the next 20 years. Unlike the last 20 years when you produced content that would go on a 56-inch TV for everyone to see, the average screen size is that of a cell phone. Some interesting facts to consider when thinking about video marketing are: first, 10 billion posts are made each month. 2, 80% of content consumed online is video. 3, 90% of customers say video helps them make purchasing decisions. 4, 64% buy online after watching a demo. And 5, consumers prefer authentic content. People always prefer to do business with people, and video offers you the opportunity to establish a relationship with potential customers or clients. Video offers a business a way to capitalize on current traffic sources through increased conversion rates of the already existent traffic. There are many ways you can use video. I think because video is still a new concept for established businesses, which can be slow to change, the businesses that are having the best results are the ones who are using it early. A small percentage of the established business community is using video as a preferred medium, so the time to act is now. Here's a few ideas for video. People buy from people. So what better way to introduce yourself to your prospect through email or on your landing page? This is great if you're a personality-based or small business with under 3 employees. The more human interaction you can give your prospect, even if it's video, the stronger your brand, reputation, and customer loyalty will become. Unboxing, demo, and assembly videos are important to enhance your customer's experience. How much more likely will your customers be to refer you and your service if they know you offer multiple mediums for instructions? Nothing builds your brand reputation like a testimony. When you put your testimony in video format, your testimony is now on steroids. Testimonials from authentic customers that describe a real experience allows a potential prospect to translate into a conversion. Some of your clients may want to learn skills that enhance the use of your product. A great example would be memes art. Not only does Brenda produce paper art, also she caters to the DIY community in her chosen niche. Want to sell more of a product? Showcase it in a video. Even drop an ad campaign around it. Creating a video to capture the essence of a product is much more effective than a still image, and the available platforms to market your product expands when you're using video. As the owner of Garfield Media, I thank you for sitting through my presentation. Garfield Media strives to produce unique content within the already established framework that businesses use to market themselves. Our primary goal when producing video is to bring the customer into the creative experience, which allows us to create even more effective content. Not only will we produce your content, but your mark should be seen within the content to properly reflect the personality of your business. Give me a call now. Let's discuss what Garfield Media can do for you.